In this video, we'll show you how to use the OptiSolex 440W portable solar bag kit to charge your power station. First, make sure your power station can be charged with the solar bag. Follow the steps in the video to verify if the solar input port on your power station matches the required specifications. Now, for the hands-on demonstration. If you're aiming to use the 440-watt capacity, simply open the solar bag and connect the two 220-watt cables together. Connect the MC4 end of the adapter cable to the 440-watt solar bag. If you need to use 220-watt power, first unzip to separate the 440-watt solar bag into two 220-watt solar panels. Then simply connect the adapter cable to the cable of one of the 220-watt solar panels. Unfold the solar bag and ensure its surface is free of obstructions. Plug the adapter cable into the power station and you're good to go. First, unplug the power station's cable. Then, disconnect the solar bag and adapter cable by hand. Next, disconnect the cables of the solar bag. Fold the solar panel, starting by folding it perpendicular to the zipper. Finally, organize the cables, put them into the zipper bag, and fasten the buckle to secure everything in place. And there you have it,